Hello dear friends and followers, welcome back to my channel Officer Aerospy. So today I am happy for two things. One is we started jet engine concepts and many students are getting benefited from those videos. And second thing is one student asked me very beautiful question, will these engines impact harshly on environment? Because as we know many emissions are going on this field and how these affects the environment. So without wasting time, let's get started and learn how all the emissions will impact on this environment. A century ago, motorized transport was promoted as being emission free, unlike the horse it was replacing. In 1920s, a plunging and a fragile aero industry was shielding from complaints about the noise. So as noise we know, today a more experienced world recognizes that reducing the environmental impact is one of the major engineering challenges of 21st century. In recent years, two design requirements have received the highest priority from customers and engine manufacturers alike: a reduction of noise and a reduction of emissions. Arguably, two last wanted byproducts of gas turbine engines, as they are of many industrial processes and modern forms of transport, is very important. The noise control. Aircraft are regulated using some standards. So let's understand noise first. These are set up by International Civil Aviation Organization, which have three reference locations, two for a takeoff and one for a landing. Noise is measured during a takeoff and landing in a very expressed way in terms of effective perceived noise level, we call it as EPNL, a decibel point that takes into account the frequency, content and duration. The ACAO Annexure 16, Chapter 3 states that the current statutory noise certification requirements is needed. The maximum permitted noise is dependent upon the design weight of the aircraft. As in the general rules, the noise limit increases as the aircraft weight increases. So for new types of engines, we have four types of noise: fan noise, exhaust jet noise, low pressure noise and combustor noise. So how to reduce fan noise? The important way of reducing the noise levels is to absorb the sound energy after it was being produced. On the modern jet engines, the intake and bypass duct are lined up with spatial panels that absorb the sound produced by the fan systems. Controlling how much fan noise escapes forward out of the engine can also be achieved by careful shaping of engine intake's geometry. So what is all about the exhaust jet noise? A scaffold engine intake is shaped to deflect the acoustic energy upwards, away from any community below the aircraft. So this principal source of a noise when engine is operating at a full power during a takeoff, the controlling parameter is therefore the mean velocity of a jet engine. Jet noise can be reduced by reducing the specific thrust and increasing bypass ratio. Second one, mixing the core and bypass streams before exhaust. Third one, by using noise serrations. To reduce the combustor noise, fan tone noise is very much required. Yes, friends. So from many decades, research are going on to reduce or minimize the noise emissions and all the emissions related to the engines. But still they are going on, and the engine manufacturer and service providers are working very hard to minimize these emissions. So hope this answer is helpful for you and you got some knowledge about the noise emissions and all related to the aircraft and the engines. So meet you up in the next video with another interesting topic, or you can ask me in the comment section below, ask the questions and I will answer the best. Thank you.